Alright guys, we're here at 131 Motorsports Park. This is NMCA, actually NMCA, NMRA race. You can see the place is packed. There's trailers all the way down past the finish line, all the way at the end of the turn road. We came over here to the car show side and show you what we brought. We've got the 69 Camaro you've seen, the 69 Corvette you've seen, and then Ryan himself is gonna pilot the old 66 Corvette. And then we're getting ready to go out in this thing. This thing's still got a lot left in the 60 foot, so as soon as we get it figured out, I think we'll be able to really make some steam. So I'm gonna get this thing ready to go. We should have, if they're gonna run it, 2 more passes in this, 2 more in the blue 66, and then 1 more in this. He entered open comp for test and tune. We're all actually in open comp to get more test passes, but this is a test and tune day, and they gave him an open comp test and tune for Thursday. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing ready and go make a pass. It'll be the first pass and the only pass for today. Kind of sad I don't get to see Ryan's run. That should be pretty fun in the Corvette, but we'll get that on video. He'll be running right in front of me. My dad's gonna get a video of both our runs. Now they're saying shut it down. Now it's saying take the helmet off. Somebody must have broke. Alright, well that wasn't too bad. Guy just exploded a tire. Remember to do everything. Drive through these 900,000 trucks to get to our pit on the other side of the track. 160, 160, I definitely got more 60 foot in it. 635 at 114, 982 at 140. Mile an hour's down a little bit. This thing's smoking like crazy. Is the valve cover?
It's coming out of the breather and the valve cover.
It's leaking onto the, I just saw it drip onto the exhaust manifold.
Here.
You have a vacuum pump on? How good's the battery?
I just put a brand new battery in it, and yeah, I had it on. I turned it off at the return road. I guess I should have turned it on. It's too much idling.
Smoke is. That thing's running.
Yeah, no, it's running good. How'd you run, Ryan?
Second, third went 1420.
Was second and third?
1410, I think is what it was. I don't know why. I see the shift light, I see the tach or the little readout on the shift light, and then I I looked past it and just watched the tank do this. I'm like, what are you looking at? The thing's screaming at me. I'm like, God dang it.
Which gear was that for?
I think going into third.
Yeah.
Fourth was all right.
At least you hit fourth. That's the one I missed.
Did it look slow off the line?
Yeah, you got your ass handed to you.
I know I did.
All right, well, we don't get another run today, so that'll be it. We'll pick up tomorrow morning when we get another pass. All right, guys, it is the next day, and we're getting ready to go out and open comp. Like I said earlier, we entered 2 classes, so my uncle's actually going to drive the Corvette in open comp, and then Ryan will race it when Fast comes up here in probably about an hour and a half. But we got the Camaro going out, Corvette going out, and the blue car going out. And what's nice about this is we actually kind of race cars rather than racing normal cars. So we're going to try to get up next to some with a set of slicks on it or something cool, and see if we can't take them out on our little tiny polyglass tires. So, all right, guys, we are lined up. We got a Buick Grand Sport beside us. He actually raced my dad yesterday, and my dad got him, so I got to get him again. Here we go, guys. Time here. Sweating like crazy. I need to wear gloves so I can grip the steering wheel.
Here is an exercise in differences. Check this out. Left side, John Hickson. The 1970 Buick Skylark. Usually pretty good for being a wheel stander, too. And then right-hand side, Jordan Pennington. How many people would look at the car on the right-hand side and say that's a 10-second car on polyglasses? I know I sure wouldn't. Hickson doing his job on the reaction time. 011 on the tree. The Camaro is hanging with him. Check it out. 986, 140 miles an hour for a fast car. That's factory appearing stock tire. Jeez. Running 986 at 140 on a 7-inch tire. 976 at 141 for Hickson.
Oh my gosh. Going a 986, pedaling it in first gear. 163, 60 foot.
Like it was smoking a little bit.
Probably. I haven't checked the.
Out of Roseville, Illinois, 1976 Chevrolet Vega. You don't see too many Vegas
Blow oil
on the
out.
track anymore. They used to be quite popular in the 70s, 80s, and 80s.
I got oil on this side.
but it's very rare to see a Vega that has not been back-half, meaning they cut the rear suspension out
A little bit.
Oh yeah, all around the head studs. How's it still leaking oil?
Guess what's funny one?
Really?
What?
Nice looking example.
1266.
Really?
Yeah.
Right side. Position car.
What'd you go? 957.
957 at 144.
Oh man, 149.60 foot.
What do you go?
1266.
I knew that car would run that kind of time.
Alright guys, I didn't change anything from my last pass. We're gonna try to make it go down. Weather got a little better. This will be first round qualifying for fast. And I'm actually lined up against my dad, the black Corvette, so got my work cut out, but we'll see how it goes. This thing's gonna hook hard right here, boys.
We're going to move into the fast factory appearing stock tire and factory stock class. A pair of classic Chevys looking for 9-second passes. Here it comes, 956, 144 miles an hour for the Corvette, 981 at 140 for the 69 Camaro.
Broke the tranny. Man, I could have got on it harder. That's the best this thing's ever left. Well guys, I think we broke the transmission because it's got no gears but forward.
This sucks. Well, Jordan stopped on the side of the road. I don't know where he went. I don't know what it is with me. I cannot shift this stupid thing. Transmission broke. Oh.
Get all the gears? No.
You want to ride back?
I told Allison to come get me a golf cart.
Need a hand?
No, we'll be fine. She's got a strap on there and everything, I think. Well, I don't know exactly what we broke, but we broke something. It's only got drive, and I don't know what gear it's actually got. I imagine high gear. It's got high gear and park, but I don't want to drive it back because if something's broke, I don't want to shove everything into the converter and knock the thrust out of the engine or something. So we're gonna tow it back, get it back to the trailer. I checked my shifter linkage already. I checked tranny fluid. So I don't know. Going into going right through the traps, the thing like banged neutral for some reason. I felt it either break or whatever it did. So I don't know if you guys can actually see me. It's kind of dark in here, but we're gonna get back and see what the heck's going on. All right, guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Just load the cars up. We got the door shut because the mosquitoes are bad. But loaded the Camaro up in the other trailer, strapped it down because it did break the tranny for some reason, going right through the traps. Right before I got out of the gas. RPMs went shooting way up to about 8,000, and I lifted because I was getting ready to lift at the end of the run anyways. And yeah, it's stuck in high gear. It's got park, and that's it. And even in park, when you start the car, it jumps into high gear, but park holds it. So it broke something internally. So yeah, we're going to end this video right there. What do you think? Start up another one tomorrow, and we'll put that one up.
Yeah.
Ryan's gonna throw me the keys to the old blue 66 and see what I can do with it.
I said when I was coming down the return road, I said I'm probably gonna need a driver mod. Well, just so happened he broke and got the driver mod now.
Yeah, I don't know about that. So Ryan's gonna drive the red 69 Corvette for our friend Ed. He was here, brought the car, and then had to leave, and we're gonna race the car for him and qualify it, and hopefully he can show back up Sunday. If not, Ryan will run it Sunday also. So it's not a complete day at the racetrack unless I break a transmission. That's like
Number 40.
I don't know, who knows. There's no telling how many transmissions I've broken in my life, but we can break some transmissions, that's for sure. That's gonna wrap up this video, so thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys in the next one.